Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sandeep Parashar, and I'm welcoming you. Online class, 10th class. We are reading Unit 1st, Communication Skill. In this, I already told you verbal communication, non-verbal communication. Now, my next topic is visual communication. All of you are familiar with visual communication. The convey of ideas and information in form that can be seen through the eye is referred to as visual communications. Whatever we can see through the eyes, it will come in the visual communication. I already told you, whenever we read something, it is not remembered for a long time, but whenever we see anything, it is remembered for a long time. This is the best way to remember anything. We are using smart class, we are using models, we are using graphs, skeletons, solar system models for remembering anything. Visual communication is the most effective way of passing information as the human mind processes images very quickly. Therefore, verbal communication can be made effective and more meaningful by using visual aids such as sign, graphics, design, graphs, diagrams, films, posters, books, typography, screen based media, map, chart, paper, handout, quirky, chips, etc. We are seeing we have so many symbols, sign because we can understand anything through the sign and we can remember it for a long time. Points to consider while preparing a presentation. When we have to prepare a presentation, always keep the following points. Make sure that your content is suitable for visual presentations. All fonts should be legible and appropriate for the communication style. Use callouts in moderation to highlight vital information. Legible means anybody can read easily. Present content in a way that follow a logical hierarchy. Hierarchy means step by step. Keep significant negative space. When too much information is present in a layout, messaging becomes cluttered and incoherent. In illustration should match the topic under discussions. Icons should be simple, easy to understand, and universal. Remember, they are meant to enhance comprehension and not distract the audience. No need to make so many icons. If we have so many icons, then our mind is going to disturb. We can't understand anything. We just keep some data between them. Don't overwhelm the audience with multiple graphs of a single data when one combined graph may suffice. No need to make a single item for so many times. Be smart while selecting appropriate visual device. Always select visual tools that will complement our content and will be appreciated by the audience. Avoid unnecessary design including 3D charts, ornamental illustration or inappropriate external elements. No need to give them too much. Make simple with using a visual device. Use color sparingly to highlight important information. Try and avoid bright or dull colors in our presentation. Make our presentation stand out, not stand apart. Give them a bright color, not dull color. If you use dull color, then it is not eye catcher. Communication helps people to know each other better. It helps in removing misunderstanding and creating clarity of thought. Communication in any form, written, oral, formal, informal, visual, interpersonal, intrapersonal, helps in educating people and connecting them better. I told you, if we are feeling misunderstanding between friends, then just go and talk with them. Communication is useful. Now my chapter is finished. So we will discuss about some question answers. All of you can take a screenshot. What is oral communication? I will give you oral communication being used to convey a message. And effective oral communication is a two-way process and involve both speaking and listening. Second, define interpersonal communication. I will give you. Interpersonal communication is extremely private. It includes the silent conversation we have with ourselves. We simultaneously switch roles between a sender and a receiver. Suggest some tips to improve written communication. Read more, write more, learn more vocabulary, improve your grammars. Write any two functions of verbal communications. It is through verbal communications and other symbolic activities that relationships are developed and maintained. Whenever we communicate verbally with another person, a group, or an audience, a relationship is initiated. Without verbal communication, we could not function as thinking beings. We use it to reason, communicate, and develop our memories through language. Define interpersonal communication. In this form of communication, information is exchanged between two individuals. To communicate effectively, the two individuals involved interchange their roles of sender and receiver repeatedly. Sometimes sender is receiver. Why is written communication used for official purpose? Written communication is extensively used for official purpose as it creates a permanent record of evidence and can be saved for later use. It enables receivers to take more time in reviewing the message and providing proper feedback. There are some question answer. You need to do it in your copy. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.